Hello! I don't know why this feels so weird, but this is the first video that I'm filming on this camera in my new house since I've moved in. I've been trying to figure out for like the longest time now what kind of backgrounds I want for more like sit down videos like this. So far I'm quite liking this. What do we think? Like, feel free to give me some feedback in the comments. As you can tell from the title, today's video is going to be a clothing haul, and I'm super excited because I've actually teamed up with Princess Polly for this haul. I actually worked with Princess Polly about a year ago when me and Rach went to Ibiza, and I really love the pieces that they have on the site. Picked out some cute bits. I've tried to get like a range of stuff because even though it is coming into summertime, it does still get really cold here sometimes in the UK. So yeah, I've tried to pick a little bit of everything, but yeah, I really hope you guys like what I got. Everything will be linked down below, and I do have a discount code as well. You can use the code Hannah to get 20% off the site. Just to give you a little bit more information, they also offer free express shipping to the UK on orders over £40. They also have AfterPay available to UK customers, and there's 20% VAT payable at the checkout, so there's no surprise costs. Everything ships from the United States, and they add 150 new styles every single week, so tons of really cute pieces to choose from, and you can return anything within 30 days too. Anyway, I'm going to start with this top that I picked up here. I have literally been living in this top since it arrived. It's like a really gorgeous white long sleeve knitted top. It's got this really beautiful neckline. It's very just like slouchy and casual in terms of the fit, which I really like because you can basically wear it off the shoulders or on the shoulders, or do like one shoulder off, one shoulder on, whatever you want to do with it. It is cropped as well, and it's got a really beautiful like knitted pattern to it. Yeah, I actually paired this with jeans in the try on clip as well. I picked up these jeans from Princess Polly. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with them because I'm not gonna lie, jeans and denim is like one thing that I struggle so hard with sometimes. So yeah, I picked these jeans up. I've never actually had a pair of jeans in this style before. They're like the asymmetric hem, I want to say, or like, do you know when it's like, it kind of looks like they don't line up? Is that asymmetric? I feel like that's the right term for it. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I got these jeans, absolutely obsessed with them. I'd say they're wide leg, but they're ever so slightly tapered towards the bottom. Really love the wash of denim, like the color of denim on these, and they're so gorgeous in terms of the fit, the length, everything about them like ticks all of the boxes. They're just absolutely stunning. And yeah, I feel like these are gonna be my go-to jeans for summer when it's like jeans and a cute top kind of vibe. I picked up two more pairs of trousers as well. They're more like, kind of more like formal trousers, but at the same time I would also still dress them down. I picked up this grey pair here. They're basically, I kind of call them like suit pants, I guess, but I really love the way that these were styled on the website. It's kind of how I would style them as well, in terms of like a little top and some trainers. I love having pants like this. Like, I took a pair of suit pants to Milan last year. I'm pretty sure I took some to Dubai. Like, I just think they're so versatile because you can really easily dress them up or dress them down. Super comfortable because they're wide leg as well. They don't feel like too hot to wear in the summertime. Like, I feel like they're just very flowy, like very airy, just very comfortable on. Really love the waistband on these. They fit absolutely perfectly. The length is gorgeous as well. So I got a grey pair, and then I also picked up a black pair as well. There's actually quite a lot of black in this haul, which doesn't really feel very summery, I'm not gonna lie, but black is one of those colors that I will literally wear all year round. Like, I just love it. These are a little bit shorter on the length, this pair as well, so I feel like they'll definitely go really well with trainers. All of my suit pants that I have at the minute are so long. I feel like a lot of brands tend to do this style of pants to like fit with heels, so they add extra length on, which is great obviously if you want them for heels, but like I said, I love wearing these with trainers, so I really love the fact that these ones are a little bit shorter and a little bit more like low waisted as well. So really love both of those. Okay, I'm gonna do the dresses that I picked up next because I feel like these are a little bit more summery. First of all, can we talk about this dress? I'm literally obsessed with it. Like, I just think the style and just the whole vibe of this is so cute. I'm the sort of person in summertime, like, I love jeans or like trousers and trainers, but then I also sometimes really like wearing just like little dainty dresses, and saw this on Princess Polly. So really beautiful white, kind of like mini dress, should we say? Well, it is a mini dress. It's like a milkmaid style dress, I would say. It's got like slightly puffed sleeves, and everything is very like elasticated and stretchy. Really beautiful in terms of the shape. It kind of like flares out a little bit, but not too much. I mean, you can still wear trainers with this as well if you wanted to, but I feel like, I don't know, with just some like mini like kitten heels or something, it would just look really cute for like a lunch outfit or like a picnic outfit. I love going for picnics in the summertime. I just feel like this would be perfect for it. And then I also wanted to get a maxi dress. I love the color of this as well. It's like a beautiful sage green color. It's got a really like gorgeous detail around the top with the lace. It's slightly elasticated at the back as well, and it does also tie at the front, which I actually really like because it kind of pulls in a little bit. So if you want it a little bit tighter like on the bust, then you can just pull it in really easily. I really want to take this to the Dominican because I feel like for an evening outfit for like dinner or something, this would be really, really cute. But yeah, I just love it, and I just think things like this are so like nice to wear. Like they're just, again, so comfortable on, and they just look really classy. I feel like this style of dress kind of just looks really like elegant and classy, but obviously it still can easily be a more like casual outfit as well. I'm sweating and I don't want to open the window because I'm pretty sure my next door neighbor is outside gardening and she doesn't want to be listening to me talking to myself. So anyway, gonna suffer in silence and continue. All right, I picked up a couple more little tops because, again, I just think these are perfect for jeans. Also for joggers. I wear a lot of like joggers or like jogger shorts in the summertime. And like I said, in the UK, I feel like it's always hit and miss with the weather. So I still like to have stuff that is like long sleeved but cropped, so it's very versatile and it's not too warm to wear either. But this little green top I just thought was so cute. You guys know I love green. Like, I don't know what it is. I just love wearing green. I just think it's such a gorgeous colour to wear and it's so flattering on literally everyone. This is just like a little ribbed top. It's got more of a V neckline, as you can see. Yeah, I thought that was super cute, so I picked that up. This cardigan I absolutely adore. Like, it's again undone because I've just tried it on, so let me just like fix that so that you can see it properly. I think they do this in a few different colours, so if you didn't want to get black and you wanted something like a little bit lighter and more summery, I think they've got some more colours. I've seen this style of cardigan around a lot, and I saw this version of it on Princess Polly and thought it was super cute, so I picked up the black version. I just thought it would be like a nice evening outfit, and a lot of the time I like wearing black in the evenings because I'll wear like black pants or like a little black skirt with some black heels or something. But yeah, it's just a really nice soft knitted cardigan, and then it has this detail in the center where you just like do it up with this little chain. It's actually quite nice because in like you can adjust it, I guess. You can basically like attach it to whichever like link on the chain that you want. So if you want it a little bit tighter, then you can do it up a little bit tighter. Really, really cute on, really flattering. Just something like a little bit different as well. Speaking of black skirts, actually, I'm pretty sure I did a try on clip where I paired it with this skirt here, which again I picked up on Princess Polly. It's just a little mini skirt and it's got a little slit at the side there. Really, really love the fit of this. It's so just like simple, classic, elegant on. Perfect with like a little pair of heels or a little pair of boots, like anything you want to wear it with. Again, you could wear it with trainers if you wanted to as well, but I just love having little black skirts and like basics like this because I feel like there's so many different ways that you can style them. Okay, and then two more black tops that I picked up because, as I said, I will literally wear all black all year round. But I got this cardigan, guys, I'm not even joking, this is the softest material I've ever felt. Like, I need every single top to be this style of cotton. I don't know what it is, but it's so soft and comfortable on. It's just like a little cropped, kind of like in between a cardigan and a top. It has little buttons to do up at the top there. Just a really like simple basic to go with just like little skirts or again jeans. I feel like this would look really nice with, or some cargo pants maybe. And then I saw this on the website. It's actually like nothing like what I already own. It's basically like a sheer shirt, and it basically does up with this little like string at the front. In the try on clip, I did pair this with like a little lace bra just because it is very sheer. I feel like you'd have to wear something underneath it. So I chose to wear a bra. Like, you could do a little vest if you wanted to, or like a little bralette, like whatever you want to pair it with. Thought this would be perfect with the little black skirt that I picked up as well, and maybe like some little boots. That's kind of what I've got it in mind for. Okay, and then a couple more summery things. I actually picked these up again for holiday because I feel like these will be really cute in the Dominican. I got this dress here. which I'm obsessed with. The colors in this I just think is stunning. I love like the stripes. I love the shape of this as well. It's like a halter neck, and it just fits really, really beautifully. It's like a crochet knitted dress. I've decided, like, in the Dominican, I really want to try and wear as much color as possible. Like, I really want to take like a super colorful wardrobe, so I feel like this will fit in obviously perfectly with that. Really love the fit. It's like a really nice length as well. Super comfortable on, and not like too see-through either, which I really liked, because obviously I feel like with knitted crochet stuff, like it's always a bit 50-50 in terms of like how like gappy the holes are in it. Yeah, this looks really lovely on. Really like the fit of it, so that is for my holiday wardrobe. And then similarly, I got this long sleeve crochet dress here. I just loved everything about this. I love the sleeves. They kind of flare out a little bit, and they have this like scallop like hem, I want to say. Really like the colors. Obviously this one's a little bit more neutral. It's a little bit short, this one as well, I will say, but I feel like to go over a bikini for the beach, it would actually work really well. But yeah, I just love that. I just think these will be perfect for holiday. I love taking stuff like this on holiday as well, because it's like, if you're on the beach, obviously you're in a bikini or whatever, but then if you want to go for lunch or something, or get lunch on the beach, or you want to put an extra layer on, like stuff like this is just perfect for that. So really love both of those. And then last but not least, I actually got a leather jacket, which it's probably the wrong time of year to get a leather jacket, because obviously it is getting a little bit warmer, but I saw this on the website and I just couldn't not have it, because I don't know what it is, but I feel like I've been looking for the perfect leather jacket for the longest time now. Obviously it's faux leather as well, it's not like real leather, but I just loved everything about this in terms of like the shape. Super like boxy in terms of the fit, but it's like a nice length too. It's not too long, it's a little bit cropped. I just loved it. It's like a really smooth looking faux leather, and it doesn't have that like weird smell that a lot of like faux leather has either. Like it just, I don't know, it just ticks like every single box. I don't know, I just think it's so nice to have things like this in my wardrobe, and obviously I'll keep this like for years and years, and I'll go into like my autumn winter wardrobe as well. But yeah, I just really loved the style and fit of this. So that is everything that I picked up. As I said, all of the links will be down below. You can use the code Hannah to get 20% off site-wide as well. I really hope you guys like what I picked up. Let me know down below which your favorite pieces are. They've got so many different things on the website though, so feel free to have like a little bit of a browse and make use of the discount code whilst it lasts. But yeah, I'm gonna get going anyway. Thank you so much for watching as always. I hope you're all having a lovely week, and I'll see you in the next one.